Have you ever wondered what happens after you click send on your email? Your message embarks on a complex journey, filled with checkpoints and security layers. SPF, or Sender Policy Framework, plays a vital role in ensuring your email's safe arrival. This authentication protocol prevents spoofing and phishing, verifying sender legitimacy as it travels. However, SPF alone isn't foolproof. Alignment with the sender's domain is crucial for efficacy. Misconfigurations, alignment mismatches, and third-party sending services can lead to spam filtration. Imagine if your carefully crafted email ends up in the dreaded spam folder. IT administrators and email marketers must grasp the importance of SPF alignment for success. When SPF alignment fails, emails face rejection under DMARC policies, revealing potential pitfalls. Proper SPF alignment shields emails from spoofing and complies with essential security standards. A common failure occurs when the return path differs from the from address domain. For example, if the return path uses a different domain, it may trigger an alignment failure. Email forwarding also complicates matters, leading to failures that recipients may not recognize. You see, a forwarded email's SPF is checked against the forwarder's IP, not the actual sender. Mismatched configurations can arise from third-party services that automatically change return paths. Take the time to ensure your SPF records are correctly structured and optimized. Using one SPF record helps prevent disastrous validation errors that cost you visibility. Always ensure your return path aligns with your from address to maintain compliance. Additionally, employing DKIM can support DMARC compliance, enhancing email security significantly. Testing SPF settings regularly can unveil hidden misconfigurations before they impact deliverability. Engagement metrics, reputation, and content quality all affect email deliverability beyond SPF. Suppose your emails have low open rates, that can affect their chances of landing in inboxes. New domains often need a strategic warm-up to build trust with email providers gradually. Warmup.io not only checks SPF but offers a holistic approach to email deliverability solutions. With user-friendly tools, generating valid SPF records becomes fast and simple for everyone. Monitor inbox placement trends and receive guidance on improving your domain's overall health. The Domain Health Hub allows you to manage multiple domains and track their performance effectively. Embrace a proactive email strategy, optimizing every stage of your sending process seamlessly. Warmup.io helps build a strong sender reputation, reducing the chances of spam filtration dramatically. Whether you're a marketer or an IT professional, Warmup.io gives you essential tools to succeed. Don't let improper configurations hinder your communication. Take control of your email deliverability today. Unlock your email success story with Warmup.io, where deliverability meets confidence and excellence.